Hello everyone, welcome today. Yes, today on Wednesday. Yes, Wednesday, January the 5th, 2022. We have here 3 regular Sudokus. Sudoku number 1, binary. Sudoku number 2, regular Sudoku. Sudoku Medium. And we have a killer Sudoku, aka Sudoku Mix. 3 regular Sudokus. And I have also good news because today we have also an additional. Let me show you the additional. This is the additional. And today we have 6 extra puzzles. Letter Sudoku, 2 stars, the 3 stars, tectonic with 4 stars, binary puzzle, and a tectonic with 1 star. And those puzzles I'm not interested. So 6 extra puzzles. I won't do them all, only 3 of them. That means 3, half of them, and also these 3 puzzles. So I will do 6 puzzles today. Yes. And well, the situation here, I've told you 1 week ago or 2 weeks ago, the Omicron virus is coming. Well, it's dominant here, and the infected people is yeah, the latest I've heard was the highest number was 16,000, but now it's more than 18,000 per day. So it's still raising and increasing. So not good news, but I've heard that the Omicron is better to have than the Delta variant. So it's now booster time here. Anyway, let's start with this one, the binary, and this will be number 3932. 3932. And what kind of binary puzzle is this? Let me count. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. It's a 10 by 10 a binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 5 O's and 5 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. A double O, here 1, there 1. 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 Between 2 ones comes an O. Now we have 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. 1 2 3 4 5 were O, so the rest are 1s. Then double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 1 2 3 4 5 1. So the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 1 2 3 4. And this is number 5, the 5th 1. Yes. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Then. I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes, there's always an O and a 1 there. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, the fifth O. So this box should be a 1. Okay. Then, let me see. I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O. So this box should be a 1. Okay. I know between an O, between two ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's. I cannot place the O, the fifth O here, otherwise we have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this cannot be an O, this should be a 1, okay. And I know B 1, 2, 3, 4. So here should be also an O and a 1 there. Okay. Let me see. 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Well. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there. So we have the first 1, the second one, the third one, the fourth one, and the fifth one. So this box should be an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that box should be also an O. Okay. Between two O's comes an 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Okay. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. And now 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Oh, double O. Here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Finish in 9 minutes. Wow. Without comparing. And I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the other 2 regular Sudokus. Medium and a killer Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.